Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got a super exciting and very special unboxing video to share with you guys. I haven't been in here yet. Wanted to save this moment. Some of you may know that this channel is about to reach 500,000 subscribers, which is incomprehensible considering I am a tabletop pocket knife reviewer that has a very basic setup here on YouTube. Thank you so much to everybody who has been a part of this absolutely wild journey. I'm very thankful. The folks at Polish Custom Knives know that I do a celebratory giveaway every time I hit a major milestone, and this at 500,000 subs is a major milestone. So I have some stuff that I'm going to give away, but Polish Custom Knives was kind enough to donate something very, very special. So this will end up in the hands of one of my viewers eventually. Now, I'll give more details on exactly when this event is going to take place, but I wanted to make sure you guys knew it was coming, and I wanted to showcase this knife for you guys today. So thanks so much to Polish Custom Knives. You can find them down in the description. They're an awesome retailer. There's a lot of great stuff there. But thank you so much for donating this for the giveaway. That was super kind. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. So let's go ahead and get into this box. I always forget the best way. Probably just right across here. Yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. I want to be very careful because I know there's some real classy stuff in here. Not being sarcastic at all. Sorry, I don't want to get... Okay, the COA is turned over. There is a certificate of authenticity involved with this thing we're about to open up. This one does come with a box. Some of these do not. Some of the more, standard entry-level ones, which are very, very nice. But the more special ones do come with a box. You probably know this if you've watched my channel, because I own many of these knives. So this is going to be a special edition Herman, a very upgraded Herman, and I can't wait to get this out and show it to everybody. I believe it's a model that I've reviewed, but it's one of many configurations that I've never handled before. So, oh boy, how special and cool is that? Yes, look at that, and look at that, the color changing anno we've got in here. That's so beautiful, sort of blue, gray, purple. Oh my goodness. Wonderful. Not even really purple. It's more of like a blurple or an indigo. Super, super gorgeous. Blue to purple. Sort of almost like an ice finish or a chipped rock finish right there. Beautiful pocket clip. I know you guys want to see that blade. Hold on a moment. We're going to get it out here. I promise. I love this. I do have an Ishtar with this milling here. Almost looks like, I don't know, leaves or maybe like a super intricate spider web or something like that. But I really like the milling that they do right there. And then, of course, we have this beautiful milling down here. Let's go ahead and get that blade out. Oh, yes, wonderful. We have a polished Alema Damax blade. So I only have one other Herman in Alema Damax. But they do this beautiful, like the patterns that they do are beautiful. And I'm going to be honest with you, my slim that I have in Alema Damax is actually not as polished as this. Mine is a little bit flatter. So I'm kind of jealous right now that what we're seeing here has such a beautiful high polish. I am not super familiar with Alema Damax. I just know that they do these beautiful sequence, Damascus. When I say sequence, I mean like very, very clean patterns. And you can see there, beautiful, very clean pattern there. Awesome cutting bevel. I believe that's a mirror or near mirror polished cutting bevel. Very beautiful. I love that we've got the purple to blue going all the way around the edges, the nice polished pocket clip. But this is not an inexpensive knife. I think this particular one goes for about, it was going to go for about $1,700. And, however you feel about the price, it doesn't matter because this was donated and it's going to be given away completely and totally for free on my channel during the event. You will, of course, the winner will, of course, receive the box here, which this knife will absolutely fit in. I'll give you guys an example of that here real quick. There we go. And then we also have the certificate of authenticity, which I should get out. We should go over here real quick. I mean, why not? You'll also get the tool, the custom tool that it comes with, which I think is the equivalent of a T20, I believe, but the tool will fit right in here. So if you want to keep it in the box like this, you can. Anyways, what we have here is Ishtar 403, Alema half dress is what they call this. Damax by Alema, 61 Rockwell, so very cool. But yeah, you'll receive the certificate of authenticity with the knife as well. Very cool. I'm a big fan of the Ishtar in this blade shape in particular. That is probably my favorite blade shape. I have another one that is similar. In fact, I'll actually get them out to show for you guys. Okay, so we have this one. We have the other Ishtar there. We have this Ishtar. So this is the configuration that I'm the biggest fan of. I do like the trailing point blade. It's all right. But I think that this, well, we've got the little slant at the end, looks a lot better. So this is my slim with the Alema Damax, and it's got a nice finish on it, but I think the polish on this guy looks just a little bit better. You can tell me what you think of that down in the comments section. Really, really happy, really happy with this one, and definitely jealous. I'm a big fan of the blue to purple. The blue to purple look as you sort of tilt the blade over is really nice. This also has a spectacular ergonomic profile. I would venture to guess the person who ends up with this probably won't use it, but if you do decide to use it, I've got some standard or like entry-level Hermans that generally start at about 700 to 800, and I EDC them from time to time. They make really fantastic users. The ergonomic profiles are great. The action's always just spectacular. Just really cool. Again, thank you so much to Herman for donating this guy. I'm not going to be donating my own there, but I just wanted to give you an example of what we were looking at. Really appreciate this. It's really special and really cool of Polish Custom Knives and Herman Knives in combination there. It's really cool of them to donate this for me to give to somebody. I love doing giveaways. I love giving knives back to members of the community who have helped this channel grow. Obviously, I'm unable to give away 500,000 individual knives, but what I can do in some cases is give away some really cool stuff. So be paying attention to my regular content feed, my community tab, and my Instagram feed, because I will make sure and update everybody when the day comes, exactly when this is going to happen and exactly what you need to do to enter. My giveaways are always free. They do not require you to be a patron. They don't require you to be a paying channel member. They honestly don't even require you to be a subscriber. I just like to open my giveaways to everybody who's watching and wants to participate. So that day will come fairly soon. We are swiftly approaching that mark. I think that's going to be it for today, guys. You can check out my review of the Ishtar, which is up on YouTube, if you want to hear more about this knife. But for today, excuse me, having trouble talking today, for today, that's going to be pretty much it. Thanks so much, again, to Polish Custom Knives. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.